1949 Mercury 8 Coupe is one of the most legendary post-war American cars, widely recognized for its smooth, flowing design and strong presence on the road. Produced by Mercury, this model marked a major shift in automotive styling after World War II, introducing a sleek, pontoon body that integrated the fenders into the overall shape of the car. This design gave it a clean, low, and streamlined appearance, making it stand out compared to the more boxy pre-war vehicles. Under the hood, the 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe was powered by a 255 cubic inch flathead V8 engine, producing around 110 horsepower. While this may not seem powerful by modern standards, it delivered smooth and reliable performance for its time. The engine was known for its durability and strong low-end torque, making it suitable for comfortable cruising rather than high-speed performance. It was typically paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, and in some cases, an optional automatic transmission known as Mercomatic became available in later models, offering more convenience for drivers. One of the defining characteristics of this car was its ride quality. The 1949 Mercury was built for smooth cruising, with a suspension system designed to absorb road imperfections and provide a soft, comfortable driving experience. The longer wheelbase compared to Ford models gave it better stability on highways, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Steering was relatively light for its size, although it still required more effort compared to modern power steering systems. Fuel efficiency was not a primary focus during that era, especially for V8-powered American cars. The 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe typically delivered around 4 to 6 km per liter, depending on driving conditions and engine condition. Compared to modern vehicles, this may seem low, but it was quite standard for large displacement engines of that time. The focus was more on smooth performance and driving comfort rather than fuel economy. Inside, the car offered a spacious and comfortable cabin with bench seating, allowing up to 6 passengers. The interior design reflected the styling trends of the late 1940s, with simple instrumentation, large steering wheels, and chrome accents. Materials used in the cabin were durable and designed for long-term use, though they were more functional than luxurious by today's standards. The wide-body design allowed for generous legroom and headroom, adding to overall passenger comfort. The 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe became especially famous in custom car culture, where enthusiasts modified these cars into lead sleds. This involved lowering the roofline, smoothing body panels, and customizing the exterior for a more aggressive and stylish look. The car's original design made it perfect for customization, and it quickly became a favorite among hot rod builders and custom car enthusiasts. Its cultural impact was further boosted by appearances in movies and media, making it a true icon of American automotive history. In terms of pricing, the 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe was positioned as a mid-range vehicle when new, offering more style and comfort than Ford models but at a lower price than luxury brands like Lincoln. Today, its value varies significantly depending on condition, originality, and customization. A standard restored model can range from around $20,000 to $50,000, while highly customized or show-quality builds can exceed $70,000 or more. Original, well-preserved examples are also highly sought after by collectors. Maintenance of this classic car requires more attention compared to modern vehicles, mainly due to its age and vintage mechanical systems. However, its simple engine design and strong aftermarket support make restoration and upkeep manageable for enthusiasts. Spare parts are still available through classic car suppliers, and many owners enjoy restoring these vehicles as a hobby. 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe is considered one of the most iconic post-war American cars, for its smooth styling, road presence, and deep connection with custom car culture. Produced by Mercury, this model was part of the first completely redesigned Mercury lineup after World War II. Another important aspect of the 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe is its long-term collectability and emotional appeal among classic car enthusiasts. This car is not just valued for its specifications, but for the experience it offers, owning and driving it feels like stepping back into a golden era of automotive design. Over the years, its demand has remained strong in vintage car auctions and collector circles, especially for models that retain original features or have been tastefully restored. Its strong presence in classic American culture, combined with its timeless design and customization potential, ensures that the 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe continues to appreciate in value and admiration, making it both a passion-driven purchase and a meaningful investment for collectors. Overall, the 1949 Mercury 8 Coupe represents a perfect blend of classic American design, smooth performance, and cultural significance. It is not just a car, but a symbol of an era where automotive design was bold, expressive, and built for comfort. Even today, it continues to capture attention and admiration, making it one of the most beloved classics in automotive history. The 1971 Mercury Marquis Brougham 429-2V sedan is a classic full-size American luxury car, built to deliver maximum comfort, smooth performance, and a commanding presence on the road. It represents an era when size, softness, and quiet cruising were the top priorities rather than sporty handling or efficiency. Under the hood, this model is powered by a 429 cubic inch, 7.0L, V8 engine with a 2-barrel carburetor, 2V, producing around 320 horsepower with strong low-end torque. The engine is paired with a smooth automatic transmission, designed for effortless acceleration and relaxed highway cruising. It's not built for speed, but for quiet power delivery and long-distance comfort. From the exterior, the 1971 Marquis Brougham has a massive and elegant design. The front features a large chrome grille, quad headlights, and a long, wide hood that gives it a bold and premium look. Chrome accents are used heavily, reflecting the luxury styling trends of the early 1970s. The overall appearance feels strong, clean, and very upscale for its time. From the side, the car shows its full size and luxury proportions. The long wheelbase, wide body, and straight lines create a smooth and balanced profile. The Brougham trim often includes details like a vinyl roof, extra chrome moldings, and premium badging. Large doors and windows enhance both accessibility and visibility, while the overall stance feels stable and comfortable. At the back, the design remains simple but wide and elegant. It features horizontal taillights, a broad trunk lid, and a clean rear bumper. The rear styling matches the car's luxury identity, focusing on presence rather than sportiness. Inside, the cabin is extremely spacious and comfort-focused. It typically includes bench seating, soft upholstery, and a wide dashboard layout with analog gauges. The Brougham trim adds extra luxury touches like better materials, wood grain accents, and more cushioning. The ride quality inside feels soft and relaxed, perfect for long drives. On the road, the Marquis Brougham delivers a very smooth and quiet driving experience. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps easily and providing a floating ride feel. Steering is light, and the car feels stable on highways, making it ideal for cruising rather than aggressive driving. Fuel economy is quite low, usually around 8 to 12 miles per gallon, which is expected from a large V8 luxury sedan of that era. The rear luggage space is very generous. The large trunk offers plenty of room for luggage, travel bags, and daily items, making it practical for long trips and family use. Overall, the 1971 Mercury Marquis Brougham 429-2V sedan stands as a true symbol of classic American luxury, big, powerful, comfortable, and built for smooth, effortless driving. 1969 Mercury Cyclone is a powerful and stylish American muscle car that perfectly represents the performance-driven spirit of the late 1960s. Known for its aggressive design and strong engine options, the Cyclone was Mercury's answer to the growing muscle car competition, offering both speed and bold styling. Under the hood, the 1969 Cyclone came with a variety of engines, including small block and big block V8 options. One of the most notable was the 428 cubic inch Cobra Jet V8, producing around 335 horsepower, although actual output was often higher. From the exterior, the 1969 Cyclone features a bold and aggressive front design. It includes a wide grille, hidden or recessed headlights in some variants, and a long, muscular hood that emphasizes its performance character. The overall design feels sharp and purposeful, reflecting its racing heritage. From the side, the car displays classic muscle car proportions with a long hood, short rear deck, and a wide stance. Strong character lines run along the body, giving it a powerful and dynamic look. The fastback-style roofline on certain versions adds to its aerodynamic appeal, especially in racing-inspired models. At the back, the Cyclone continues its bold styling with a clean and wide rear design. It features horizontal taillights and a simple trunk layout, often complemented by dual exhausts that highlight its performance nature. Inside, the cabin is straightforward and driver-focused. It includes a classic dashboard with analog gauges, a large steering wheel, and simple controls. Bucket seats and a center console were available, adding a sporty feel to the interior. While it doesn't offer luxury by modern standards, it provides a raw and engaging driving environment. On the road, the 1969 Mercury Cyclone delivers strong performance, especially with the big block engines. Acceleration is quick, and the powerful V8 sound enhances the driving experience. Handling is typical of muscle cars from that era, more focused on straight-line speed than sharp cornering. Fuel economy is low, usually around 8 to 12 miles per gallon, depending on the engine and driving style. Like most muscle cars of its time, efficiency was not a priority. The rear luggage space is practical for a muscle car. The trunk offers enough room for small luggage and essentials, making it suitable for short trips and everyday use. Overall, the 1969 Mercury Cyclone stands as a true muscle car icon. With its powerful engine options, racing influence, and bold design, it remains a respected and collectible classic among enthusiasts today.